Next thing I know, I come to and I'm running down Sullivant Avenue naked, saying that I'm Jesus Christ. I'm the Son of God.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
No.
It's okay. It's okay.
Roll over on your belly, buddy.
I'm the Son of God.
Okay.
I am the Son of God. Please. No, I need to go over.
Roll over on your belly, buddy. This way.
I would like to introduce you to a man named Dave. Dave was featured in one of my oldest videos on the channel titled Naked and High Running Down Sullivant Avenue. It was originally released on August 18th, 2020.
Yeah, and then
Is the
I
pot
black
plant?
back out.
Okay.
I black back out, and I come to, and I'm surrounded. I'm in front of John Burroughs Elementary. So I come to, I'm naked. There's a helicopter above me. There's fire trucks. There's cops all the way around me. Like,
Dave is now clean and sober and was recently a guest on a podcast called Get a Grip. The hosts of this show have both experienced addiction and all the bad that comes along with it. Now they use their platform to allow others who have had similar experiences share their stories. Dave's episode is called Naked and Afraid. He talks at length about his life, what drove him to addiction, and how he found sobriety. He even talked about what it's like to see the body camera footage of his incident out on the internet.
yeah.
And like the beautiful thing about this whole experience, and I've yet to see it, is that there's a body cam footage
Yeah.
on the internet.
Yeah, so like some of my family's like, I can't watch it. It's sad. I think it's great.
Yeah.
And I mean, yeah, it's up.
I
right?
get it, though,
but
yeah,
I
but
think it's great. It shows growth. It shows how far out I
level
was.
of insanity.
That was my I didn't get found undressed just once.
I highly encourage everyone to check out the Get a Grip podcast. They're doing incredible things for the community.
Insert naked Jesus video here.
Holy smokes, this isn't going well. Are you okay? Can you turn around and put your hands behind your back? Yeah. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
No, I do not.
What are you on? Just talk to me.
Nothing today.
Okay. Let me put your hands behind your back, okay?
No.
It's okay. It's okay.
Roll over on your belly, buddy.
I'm the Son of God.
Okay.
I am the Son of God. Please. No, I need to go over.
Roll over on your belly, buddy. This way.
What? Oh.
Come here, sweetie. Hey, yeah. You are absolutely gorgeous. Can I see your eyes? Stop. Oh. No. I want to see her naked. I want to see her naked. Any room right here in this school. Oh, shit. Somebody get the key up here. No.
Can you get a good search on him?
Bad bitch. And you got me fucked up. I will murder you.
Relax.
I will see you straight
on.
back. I am
Relax.
Jesus. I am. Oh, please come here. Take these cuffs off me.
No, we're not taking the cuffs
Just
off.
take them.
Hey, what's your name?
I am Jesus. God.
What do you guys have us a call?
I am. Oh,
We just naked guy, possibly hit by a car, dancing around the road.
yes.
There's a guy up here in the Chevy pickup truck. There's his turn signal
Tell
on.
him I said thank you.
He was kind of acting
Tell him
like
I
he
said
might have
thank
almost
you.
hit him or something. Like I
No,
told
he
him
did.
to get
He
his
did.
car. We
He
ain't getting out
did. He
with
did.
this.
But a
Okay.
cop beat the shit out of me and fucked my head up, and I was fucking
You
murdered.
got the magic.
All right, I'm gonna be the most beautiful
it's an honor.
motherfucking man on this earth.
You want to do
Come
butt
here,
cheek?
take him up
He's
now.
in the alleys up that way.
Well, I just don't want him to asphyxiate.
Ah!
Where do you want him?
Ah!
Just wait. He's breathing fine.
Oh,
Relax, man.
no.
Stop doing it like this.
Well, somebody better do it right now.
Just relax.
All right.
Stop, okay?
All right. All right. All right.
You relax,
Oh.
relax too. Okay?
Ah!
Let's stop.
My brother Moses. My brother Moses. Oh,
Moses was
all right.
brother.
I have to. And then my daughter. But first I have to go back. Oh.
He's getting the good
Oh.
stuff. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Who's in there? All right.
You said that.
No.
Back out of an alley.
If you are any gay male on this motherfucking earth, I will murder you
This dude's at 58.
and send you back to hell where you came from. Okay? Ah!
Too much your knee here.
Relax, man. Just relax. Okay? Just relax.
Please, oh, that's my fucking ass. What the fuck did you just poke on my ass? I will murder you. And fuck these cubs. Fuck these cubs. Let me tell you the story.
Let's hear the story.
Nobody, I have had methamphetamine in my system. Oh, but
Obviously.
no.
I missed it.
Thank you, sir. None. No next today.
I'm done with you.
Yeah, my hair
After I'm getting your part of
my hair is going to be braided on top. And then braided.
it. Where do you
And
live?
it's going to be absolutely beautiful.
Hey,
I
where
don't
do you
live
live?
anywhere. I live in heaven.
What's your other name? Do you have another name?
David Fraser.
David.
Any freeway on this there for Ridge Farm.
David Fraser. But I'm David.
I have no idea.
Pretty
sure it was him. Well, there's always a delay. A lot of people, they'll call in, and the dispatchers will get it like 2-3 minutes after.
That's, oh my, he has a height requirement.
Yeah. But I mean, I have to pray.
I mean, he's
I have
pushing
had
back against
mine
me.
today.
Yeah.
I am beautiful.
He's got another butt cheek if y'all get another deal.
Beautiful motherfucking man. On this
What is his
earth.
name again? David.
Oh.
David, chill, bro. It's not hurting him.
It's fine.
Alright. Where'd she go? Where did that little lady go?
She's right here, man.
Yeah, come here.
I think you're the little
Accept
lady.
the compliment.
Yeah.
The little lady.
Yeah.
He's cool.
Yeah.
I walked up to him. He's like, this is going to go one of two ways.
You starting to feel relaxed, David?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go to heaven, bud.
David.
You want to try to get some air now?
Oh, the doctor.
Roll towards you.
David
Why towards you? Why do I have to get weenie side? Huh?
Alright, we're just trying to help you breathe, bro.
Hold on.
Okay,
Hold on. Where is she?
just relax.
Where is she?
David, okay?
Where is she? Where is she? Where is she?
He's over there. Milwaukee.
Oh. No.
Which was special? Are you in
I've seen memes that make it back
What's that?
I got a guy hit him with a truck, has damage to his truck, and then the civilians are there because
Just because it's the
beat up,
hilltop.
people across the street or something like that. Some people are beating on him.
Is it the truck with the headlights on, or
Concussion.
is the headlights on with the flashers? Is that the guy?
That's the guy right there.
Gentleman right
Gentleman right there with the.
Okay. Okay.